Well guys, today I want to tell you how much I love reading and drawing. I love reading ever since I was little because back then I felt that expressing emotion shouldn't always be done by yelling or hurting other people with words. I'm actually the type of person who, when angry, doesn't always talk about it. Most of the time I just stay quiet, especially when I'm disappointed. I become really silent guys. I often don't dare to say what I truly feel because every time I try, there's always something that makes me change my mind. And from that moment on, I started loving reading. I think I've already filled around for maybe thick notebooks ever since I was probably in 5th grade. But now I rarely read in physical books anymore. I prefer reading on the Medium platform because my privacy feels safer there. Even though I never actually publish my reading because I just can. I always save everything as private drafts so I can read them again later. Most of my reading are about my problems and also some of my love life problems, like teenagers. But there are also reading about admiration of feelings I can't express directly and emotion that keep browsing through my mind. And honestly, I can breathe. I am really grateful that I have a way to express things I could never say out loud. And now about drawing. Actually, drawing isn't a necessity for me like reading is. Oh yeah, I consider reading as one of my needs because although I do it, but drawing feels more like a way to satisfy my curiosity. I started drawing because I was curious whether I could actually draw or not. And apparently I can, but I still can't fully create artwork purely from my own imagination yet. Most of my drawing are inspired by reference I find on Pinterest. I have two sketchbooks, and these are some examples of my drawing. One of them especially countryside scenery guys. But this is the drawing I really want to show you. Wait. Okay. Oh, isn't it cool? I draw it from the manga and anime Jujutsu Kaisen. This is Satoru Gojo, and this is Ryomen Sukuna. It's the scan where Gojo fights Sukuna. Honestly, after I finished drawing it, I was shocked because I never expected I could create something that cool. And because of that, I became really addicted to drawing. Oh my god, look guys. And I want to show you something. Maybe this. Oh, this handsome man. Look this handsome man, guys. I still have many more drawings, but I won't show them all for now. And I think that's all for today's vlog, guys. And see you again in the next vlog. Bye.